Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Last month I unboxed a refurbished iPhone X from apple.com. Right now I'll be unboxing a refurbished iPhone XS from apple.com. I just saw it online last week and decided to buy it and check it out. So let's do that together. There you go. I got my keys. I just actually received the box today from UPS. Perfect. Got it. Nice. So that's the box. It says iPhone XS. So this is how the box look like. iPhone XS, Apple certified pre-owned. In the back it has the serial number and all the info about the phone. So it's a gold XS, 64 gigabyte. I'm gonna give this phone to my mom. Okay, let's do that. So let's throw this away. As you guys can see, it looks beautiful. Here's the designed by Apple in California paperwork, and that's the phone. Let's turn it on. Here you go. The phone is on right now. Everything is looking good. So here's what happened when I tried to activate my SIM card. It says SIM not supported. So that means the phone is locked to a certain carrier. I'm not sure what are the carriers. So I'm gonna contact Apple support and return the phone. They might exchange it and give me another one. But for now, I would not recommend that you buy the phone. I'll try to get this figured out and I'll keep you guys posted, but for now I mean the phone looks great, brand new, literally has no issues, but this is important. If the SIM is not working, it's just not worth it. Yeah, I'm gonna return the phone maybe today or tomorrow, and I will think about exchanging it or just buying something different. I got the iPhone X last month, and it worked just fine. But for now, I would not recommend you buy this phone. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.